If you have a Wi-Fi connection at your home, then you would have faced these two issues. First one, the inconsistent speed. Second one, not having enough range, especially if your house has multiple floors. To solve this issue in a budget-friendly way, I previously made one video, but that video had one major flaw. So currently, like everyone else, I have my router and the modem in the ground floor of my house. I've kept it almost in the middle of my house in the hall. But the problem is I have my TV on the first floor. Unfortunately, I do not get good Wi-Fi coverage in my first floor. Because of this, I'm not able to stream any of my OTT platforms in good quality. To solve this issue, what I did previously was I bought a Wi-Fi extender. What I did is in the place where my staircase is there is a plug point. I just plugged in my Wi-Fi extender. So what this extender will do is this extender will connect to the Wi-Fi router which is on the ground floor, and this acts as a repeater or a new router in my first floor. So now I can connect my TV to this Wi-Fi extender and I'll be able to stream videos in good quality. You might feel your problem is solved, but no. The Wi-Fi router in the ground floor might have, let's say, the network name as ABC. The Wi-Fi extender would have its own separate network, say DEF. So this Wi-Fi extender is connected to ABC and then repeating the Wi-Fi network as a new network DEF. So the problem here is when a person is connected to the Wi-Fi network in the ground floor and he walks to the first floor, he would have to switch the network to DEF to get coverage and range. Once you do this, next time when you move from first floor to ground floor or ground floor to first floor, your phone will automatically take care of this, but there is one slight problem. If you are in a place where the range of ABC and DEF is kind of almost similar, the phone gets confused, where should I connect? And again, when it is switching networks, there is a delay. This will cause significant issue in range and speed. So to solve this issue permanently, I got these two cylinders. This is the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi Mesh. I got it from Amazon and to my surprise, this got delivered in just under 5 hours. It comes in this box, the two cylindrical decos are there, and you have two power adapters, a quick installation guide, and a flat Ethernet cable. Let me tell you how this thing works. First of all, the existing modem and the router, you have to turn it off. Plug one of your decos in the power socket. From the modem, you will have an Ethernet cable. You have to plug this in the deco's Ethernet port. Once you do that, you have to install the Deco app in your phone. Just follow the instructions shown in the app and within a minute or two, you will get it sorted. So once it's done, working and proper, you will get a solid white light on top. Now this new device is your new Wi-Fi router. But this is just one part of the equation. I hope you guys already know that in a dual band Wi-Fi router, you will have two bands. The 2.4 GHz band has good coverage but less speed. The 5 GHz band has good speeds but less coverage. So this device, instead of having two different networks for each bands, this has a combined band so that your smartphone can connect to only one Wi-Fi network and the phone can automatically choose between 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz depending on where you are standing in the house. Okay, let's get back to where we were. We completed the step number 1, so let's go to step number 2. Now go to the second floor of your house or wherever you feel there is not enough Wi-Fi range. I'll normally pick somewhere in the middle. Now just plug your second cylinder or the deco in the plug socket. Once you turn it on, just open your app and again follow the instructions there to get it sorted. So once this is also done, you will get the white light on top. Make sure it is not placed in a covered place. Now, unlike extender, what is different here? Now, if you open your Wi-Fi, you will see only one network. The one network which you had set up when you were setting up the first deco. The first deco which is connected to the internet is going to act as a master deco. And the one you just kept on your second floor is going to act as a slave deco. What happens is the master and the slave together forms a single network. Yes, both will have the same network name, say ABC. So now if you have connected your phone to the ABC network downstairs and you are moving throughout your house, the network is not changing. But these two decos intelligently automatically communicate and find out in what place you are with your device. And then these two will automatically adjust and give you the best connection with the best speeds. In this way, you don't have to connect to different networks when you move from one floor to another or one place where it has range to one place where it does not have range. And one more thing you have to note here is that unlike the extender, this will have much higher and better speeds. I even did a speed test just to verify this and it is actually true. So if you are one of those people who face this kind of Wi-Fi range and speed issues, then definitely I'd recommend you try out this. Whichever products I've mentioned in this video, I've left a link in the description. If you want, you can check them out. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.